Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a long-term investing plan with Morningstar easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, go to the Morningstar website. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to set up your profile. Once logged in, navigate to the portfolio section. In the portfolio section, look for the Create a New Portfolio button. Click on it to start building your investment plan. You will be prompted to enter the initial investment amount. Next, specify your investment goals, such as retirement or wealth accumulation. Select your investment time horizon, typically ranging from short to long term. Adjust your risk tolerance based on your financial situation and comfort level. Once you have set these parameters, explore the tools available in the research section. Use these tools to analyze different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and funds. Consider diversifying your portfolio by including various asset classes. As you analyze investments, pay attention to Morningstar ratings and research reports. Add your chosen assets directly to your portfolio. You can manually input your current holdings if you have existing investments. Next, navigate to the Investing tab to find recommendations based on your preferences. Review the suggested investments and make adjustments as needed. Once satisfied, save your portfolio plan. Monthly or quarterly, revisit your portfolio to monitor performance. Utilize Morningstar's tools to rebalance your investments if necessary. Continue educating yourself with the resources offered on Morningstar. Stay updated on market trends that may impact your long-term investment strategy. Finally, remember to remain patient and stick to your plan for optimal growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.